Okay, so this is a law of attraction secret that you must try. I swear this works. So you're going to draw a line down and across, and then you're going to label the quadrants as what, how I feel, how I would feel, and action. In the top left corner, you're going to write what you're manifesting. So I've just done $1,000 here. In the next quadrant, you're going to write how you feel. So this is what you feel right now, whatever is going through your mind, and don't edit. So if you want more money and you're thinking in your head, I wish I had more money, then write that down. The more honest you are here about how you feel, the better. Now in this quadrant, you're going to write how you would feel if you had $1,000. So here you might write safe, happy, grateful, joyful, abundant. And then finally, we can't forget action. So what are you actually going to do to help you manifest $1,000? In my case, it's creating content in my business. Next, just choose a highlighter. You can choose any color you like. Now what you're going to do is draw a cross over how you feel. And then you're going to circle how you would feel if you had $1,000. Now before you move on, feel these exact emotions in your body for 90 seconds. Then draw a triangle over action and actually take that action. Let me know how it goes.